Unlock the secret to a secure financial future with your IRA. At Davies Wealth Management, we dive deep into the world of individual retirement accounts, revealing how to maximize their powerful tax advantages and growth potential. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, understanding the right IRA type is crucial. Traditional or Roth, the choice can significantly impact your tax strategy and retirement savings. For the self-employed, SEP and simple IRAs offer unique benefits tailored to your needs. But it doesn't stop there. Diversification is key to mitigating risk, and we guide you through balancing growth and stability in your portfolio. From large cap stocks to real estate investment trusts, we cover it all. And for those over 50, catch up contributions can supercharge your savings. Professional athletes with fluctuating incomes can benefit from strategic Roth conversions, ensuring their financial future is as bright as their sports career. Regular reviews and expert guidance are essential to stay ahead. Let Davies Wealth Management help you navigate the complexities and secure your retirement dreams today.